I slept in the car. Here comes the ambulance. And see how long they've been there, though? What happens when they get to the scene? They will not let ambulance come till they consider it cleared and safe. So I've seen medical begging to treat people before, and they'll tell them no, it's not safe yet. You gotta give us a minute.
Yeah, I guarantee.
They're up there collecting IDs right now. The first thing they did was go get everybody's ID. I don't care if you were laying on the ground. They're trying to get your ID off you. It's like crack to them. It's their drug of choice. ID, ID, ID. There's a difference. Okay. Okay. I got a shot right in front of it.
You got try to get over people. Come on, man. What are you gonna do?
Okay. Bro? This is giving me a good shot.
Tom, you gotta lean back because I'm using that mirror.
Yeah, lean back. Third camera just kicked in. One with the bucket.
Enjoy it.
Bust the windows.
I'm gonna do this Nissan because he didn't let the other car by. Like, what the fuck, bro?
They came with their own sign. I never seen this slap before.
You okay with the mirror now?
Stay back.
Where? Huh? You okay with the mirror? Yeah.
You side looks like.
I just had to get over. Oh, there you go.
There's the sheriff.
He's in the bushes there. Who?
A car?
BMW. Is that one?
Oh, okay.
Stopping us.
There's a car way over here.
Ambulance or something's gonna come out.
Okay.
He's letting somebody out.
Okay.
See if that's one of the cars that was around.
Where's St. John's County? And the BMW is down there.
Supposed to stay back, but he's in the middle on a highway. Oh, come on.